Hey guys, Leon here from Lowyat TV. So Huawei has just launched the new P30 series. So here's a quick hands-on the Huawei P30 and the P30 Pro. So starting with the P30, it has a 6.1-inch Full HD Plus full view display and it's powered by the Kirin 980 processor with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. It can be expanded via an M card. It has a 3650 mAh battery that has support for reverse wireless charging, which is similar to the Mate 20. It has a triple camera setup with a 40MP main camera, a 16MP wide camera, and an 8MP telephoto one. It also has a 32MP camera on the front. The P30 comes in black, aurora, and breathing crystal, which sounds like a terrible color, but after seeing it in person, it's my favorite color of the three. For the P30 Pro, it sports a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus full view display with the same notch as the P30. It has the same Kirin 980 processor with 8GB of RAM and up to 512GB of internal storage. It also can be further expanded via the same NM card. It has a larger 4200 mAh battery and the same reverse wireless charging capabilities as well. It has a quad camera setup with a 40MP main camera, a 20MP wide camera, and an 8MP telephoto camera. What's different between the P30 and the P30 Pro's telephoto camera is that the P30 Pro uses a periscope designed to achieve 10x hybrid zoom. It also has a TOF camera, which stands for time of flight. Basically, that's a 3D camera. And lastly, on the front, it has a 32MP front camera. The P30 Pro comes in the same colors as the regular P30. However, the 512GB versions of the P30 Pro only come in Aurora and this premium color Amber Sunrise. What's new on the P30s compared to the P20s is that they've adopted a smaller notch. They've gotten rid of the old fingerprint sensor and used an in-display one instead. But the main features of the P30 series is the improved night mode capabilities as well as the hybrid zoom. So that's Huawei's new flagship smartphones, the P30 and the P30 Pro. Let us know down in the comment section below what you guys think of the P30s, and as always, like this video if you like it, subscribe to us if you haven't already, hit the bell to get notified of our future videos, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!